Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The next one is lead center. What else? First of all, the meaning of lead. Lead means potential customer. Who are the potential customer? Potential customer means those who are interested in our product, but they are not customer yet. It means they have not purchased anything yet. When we do have this one, when we give a showroom, or when we have a show, or when we have an exhibition, when you give the exhibition, show your product, some people get interested to your product. So until they purchase something from your business, these people can be called as lead. So here in the QuickBook, we can take or we can register those people into the system for the future. So later on, they may become our customer. So click on this one, on the lead. Here you just create the list of those people. For example, Ahmad is interested, you can register the name of Ahmad. Mahmoud is interested, you can register the name of Mahmoud. And different people who are interested, you can register the name of those people. Click on the new, you can mention the name. For example, one of our customers by the name of, we can say, Sultana, for example, right? Sultana is one of our customers. Condition of Sultana or status of Sultana, hot. Hot means, for example, she is much more interested to purchase our product. Warm means she is, for example, 50% interested to purchase. Cold means, for example, around 10%, but she's not much ready to purchase. Let us say, for example, she's hot. It means she wants to purchase something definitely. Give the name of the company if it is possible. Complete address. I'm not going to provide the complete address, but of course, in the actual case, when we want to register the leads, on that case, it is better to provide the complete address of the customers. Name of the company, customer from which company, phone number, their mail, and so on. Let us say, for example, I have filled up. Save this one. Right? One is created. One more, for example, another customer by the name of, for example, Sultan, for example. Previous one was Sultana, now it is Sultan. Sultan is, for example, warm. Save this one as well, right? We want to create one by the name of, we can say Khan, we can say. And Khan is, for example, cold. Do not purchase, may not purchase our product, right? So this is the list of the customers, the list of the this leads that we have, right? From here, you can check, for example, how many leads we have. For example, we can say convert. Still, we don't have converted leads. What is converted leads? I'll explain. Active leads, hot leads, and so on. All these people can be checked. Let us say, for example, one of our customer with the name of Sultana, she was hot. It means she was much more interested in our product. And later on, after a particular time, she came to the business and she want to say, she said that she want to become our customer. If she want to become our customer, so we have to convert this one. So in order to convert this one, right click on this one. When you right click, there are 3 or 4 options. New lead, add the lead, edit the lead, delete the lead, and so on. And one of the options is convert to a customer. Click on this one. So QuickBook asks you, are you sure you want to convert this lead into the customers? Why? Because undo is not possible. You can say yes. When you say yes, now after onward, the Sultana is available in the list of our customers. See, this is the customer section and Sultana is available there, right? But when you come back to the lead or to the group of the lead, where is the lead? So there is no active, we can say Sultana is not available here, right? But when you click on the converted lead, you can check this one. Or otherwise, you can click on all leads, you can find that. But when you click on the active lead, so she is not active anymore here, right? So this was the purpose of lead and lead center, right? Import multiple leads. At the same time, you can create, for example, several number of, you can say lead at the same time, right? I previously have created only one, but at the same time, you can create several as well. Excel, so lead, contacts, lead, status, converted leads, all of them can be shown in the form of Excel. So it means if you have the number of all those people, you can check it with the Excel.